That's what people think. It's like, just because I like it, that doesn't give it any value. Like, as an artist, if you like it, that's all of the value. That's the success comes when you say, I like this enough for other people to see it. Not other people like it, so it's successful. That doesn't mean anything, because that's other people liking it is out of your control. All that's in your control is making the thing to the best of your ability. It's all an offering to God. And if you're making an offering to God, you're not thinking about, oh, what's the budget? Or I hope this segment of the audience is gonna like it. We don't think like that. It's a higher vibration. We're making the best we can make to the best of our ability out of love and devotion. That's what it is. And there is no, I'm changing it for someone else, because it can't be better than this devotional act that we're doing.
Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to my very first vlog of 2025. I'm super duper excited. So we brought in the new year watching church. When you see this vlog, it'll be 2025. We decided that we weren't going to go out of the house this year. My daughter and her boyfriend is supposed to be on the way here, so we're just going to, just open up New Year here in the house, and that's just that. This will be my first vlog of the year, so if you're new here, welcome. I hope that you love it here, and if you do, make sure that you like this video, comment something, or comment your name, where you're from, something, just say hi, whatever, and then make sure you subscribe so that you will know, and turn on the notification bell, because that way you will know when I'm posting. This year is all about showing up for ourselves. I know for me, I'm gonna manifest it now. I will be staying consistent. I'm gonna be chasing my dreams unapologetically, and I pray that you will too. I know that in 2024 and previous years, like I talked about my dreams. I made plans to fulfill different things, and somewhere down the line I dropped the ball, but not this year. So I just want you to remember to just be yourself and not worry about perfection, because it's not about being perfect. It's not about making everything look or seem, or just getting everything to perfection. It's about progress. Like, as long as you are showing up for yourself, being consistent, staying consistent, and following the process, and just progressing as you go, then everything else will fall into place. I'm here to share my journey, my wins, my struggles, and I want us to glow up together. Like, I really do plan on doing some big things this year. I already plan on going, traveling, and make this year, 2025, a year of no longer just dreaming big, but actually fulfilling those dreams and doing big things. I'm really glowing up. Like, I've already started cleansing my body, and I'm just ready. Like, I'll be 43 this year. Like, I'm ready to just have that feeling of, just like, mama, I made it. Mama, I made it. I want for the rest of my life to feel that way. And I want that to trickle down to my children, my children's children, my children's children's children. 2025 is the year of legacy for me. Before I close out this portion of the vlog, I did want to share a tip or something that I've been doing for the last year, I did last year, in hopes that you guys would join me. And a person had picked a word for the year, and that word sticks with you throughout the entire year. It's a word that means something to you, that encourages you, that pushes you, that gets you focused, that something that you can resonate with throughout the entire year, that's gonna help you through your grow up journey. And last year I chose the word consistency, or consistent, like consistency. And this year my word is legacy, and I'll share a little bit more about why I chose that word later. But I feel like in order to build legacy, you have to be consistent. Although I wasn't consistent throughout every process of 2024, throughout all my journey of 2024, I feel like there are some things that I can check off the box and say, you did it. Could I have done better? Absolutely. But I'm proud of the things that I did accomplish and the goals that I did hit in 2024. Yeah, so I'm glad 2024 is, because it was a little rough. But 2025, there's a lot more to live for. So yeah, so again, if you made it this far, if you would like to participate on this journey, I would love to know some of your guys' words. Maybe your word can encourage someone else, and maybe that's the word that they need, or you know, you can just leave some encouraging tips for someone in the comments. So if you, again, if you chose a word, if you're going to choose a word, come back and drop it in the comments and let me know, so that I can pray over your word, you can pray over my word, we can manifest this thing together. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and make this big, because we big fish, ain't no more little fish. Big fish. So again, my word is legacy, and I would love if you were to drop your word for the year in the comments. And yeah, so thanks again for watching, and yeah, let's go 2025. So we're about to head out and go to Trader Joe's and get some things. It's supposed to be winter weather-ish Sunday. So I'm going to get some things. I feel like soup again this week. I don't know. But we're going to go to Trader Joe's and probably Kroger. Maybe I'll pick up an order from Kroger. But anyways, we're going to the grocery store. We're going to get some coffee while we're out. And hurry up and get back in here, because honestly, I'm not in the mood to be outside the house. Yeah, let's go. Alright, the lighting in here is not all that great, and I'm filming on my Pocket 3. But I just have on this lounge set from the TikTok shop. I have my black little Tasman dupes, and my Coach bag, and some black shades, some black glasses. Some black sunglasses. Yeah. open it up with y'all. So, and I get some new one of these. They're so cute. They look so small. He got an 8, and y'all know Uggs be fitting small. I needed new shoes. And no, this is not sponsored by Uggs, but if you need some, I'm gonna link them below. Let's see. Let's see if they fit, honey, because I got a high instep. Perfect! Ooh, super cute. Ooh. Cute. We like. Okay, he did a 8. He did a 8. So this is, look at these. Super cute and cozy. Super cute. Alright, y'all, we in this hair store trying to get Gabby some hair. But I don't think they got the color she needs. All these other colors. Purple. Happy Sunday, y'all. So as you can see, I've already started my day and I had to come out and take Gabby to work. So I'm at Sephora right now. Well, I'm at Kohl's at Sephora, about to go into the Sephora part because I want to do some dermaplaning on my face and also pick up just a few things. So I'm about to run in there real quick, but with that being said, my battery is going dead here and I don't have plans to, I do want to stop to, I'm not dressed to go anywhere but Walmart, okay, if you know what I mean. So I really don't want to get out in here, but it's supposed to snow tomorrow or the end. So like I said, my Pocket 3 went dead. I would love to get the refills on this, but it don't look like they have it, so I'm just gonna get the whole thing. My camera went dead. All my devices going dead today. Okay, I'm definitely putting it on my list to charge your devices, girl, okay? So anyways, like I was saying, the tilapia, definitely a great deal. I'm gonna eat one tonight and put the other in the freezer. But I got some chicken wings, some red peppers, and onions. And then I went to Sephora. I showed y'all I was going to Sephora. So I don't know if y'all are aware of these. I absolutely love these. They're a bit pricey, but the reason I like it is because you can actually buy the $18 kit once and then buy the refills. The Sephora I go into, the Sephora that's closest to me is the Sephora inside Kohl's, which is a mini Sephora, and they don't carry everything. So if they're out or they don't carry something, then I have to either drive like 30 minutes away or order online. So they did not have the refills, unfortunately. I did have to just buy the whole kit, because I want to dermablade my face. Let me show y'all if y'all can see. Y'all see that? That's hair. Yeah, we gotta get that off of there. But like I said, they come with extras, so I'm okay with that. It comes with one already in here, and then you get 3 extras. But this is a really good facial razor, so if you haven't checked them out, do so. And then I'll link it on my LTK, and the link is in the description below. So if you're, or my daughter, you guys know she has dreads, and she wants to, we have to recolor her hair, so we got her some hair color. And then she wants to add, like, she wants 2-strand twists, but she wants the longer ones. I'll add some extensions to it, and they didn't have the color she needed, because this is the color of her hair, like this color right here and black, which I don't know if this is the color, but she said it is. So we're gonna try to get this color on Amazon, and then we're gonna detox and color her hair. I think we're gonna detox tonight, and then, or tomorrow, and color it another day. But anyways, that's hers. And then I'm gonna redo, I'm about to right now actually wash my hair, and then color my extensions and reapply those same extensions. And I just got the color because my hair is black and the extensions are brown, and then I just got some extra weaves protected. So with that being said, let's wash this hair, and we're gonna color the extensions and wash my hair and go from there. First, let's get some wine. Should I get some wine now or when I eat dinner? Let's get a little sippy now. Please, please. Happy Tuesday. I just wanted to come up here and vlog a little bit. I don't plan on going outside. It snowed for yesterday and a little bit last night, so there's still snow on the ground, but just not on the highway, so to speak. The sun has melted most of it, but I don't have any plans to go anywhere. So I thought today would be the perfect day to take down this tree, and of course y'all doing this with me, okay? My hairstyle is different, as you can see. I did redo my hair yesterday, and I slept on it, so I gotta put a few more curls in it and play around with it a little bit. I got a 4-5 head, so yeah, I think I'm gonna just add another track like right here to cover up half of the forehead or something, because it is forehead, and okay. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get started taking down this tree today. I'm gonna cook dinner tonight. I'm gonna do some work. I don't have much planned for today. Like I said, it is Tuesday, so nothing major happens on Tuesday. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take down all of the Christmas decor. I already started a little bit for the outside decor. I've already between my husband and I, we've already gotten that out of the way, but we're gonna tackle this inside. So let's go ahead and get this started.
When you look at me, I'm feeling you.